citizens of the Speed Race City. Glad to finally meet you. Who are you? My name is Doom. You can tell of my red eyes. And you wouldn't like that, would you? I really don't know who you mean. Seriously. The reverse lightning came first, and I'm the next. Trust me, you will suffer badly enough. As I come up with another plan to take you out. I thought the reverse lightning worked, but turns out that I was wrong. The wolf will come back, I tell you. And I know it. Good luck trying to survive. I can't believe this. Lightning, you gotta get ready. Another enemy has just approached. I know.